How to turn off iPhone is too close alert on iOS 17. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can turn off the iPhone is too close alert popping up again and again on your screens. For that you have to go to your iPhone settings and then click screen time over here in this section. Click this option and here you have to click this option of screen distance that you can see over here right beneath limit usage section. Click the screen distance option and you have to turn this off by clicking this green button. Once you turn this off, iPhone is not going to give you this very option of iPhone is too close alert. Also, you can just do this that you can just keep your phone on a distance so that it does not give you that alert. But if you want to use it nearly to your face and that pop-up is again and again just disturbing you, you can just come to this screen distance option over here in the settings and just turn it off. And I hope you found the process easy and liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.